Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create laser eyes effect in CapCut. So let's get started. As you can see that I have imported my video to CapCut, and we're going to put laser eye effect to this man. Then the first thing we're going to do is click on the effect button. Then there will be some options for us, and we can choose either video effects, body effects, or photo effects. And since we want to create laser eyes effect, we can click on body effects to find that effect. Alright, and make sure that you click on superpowers category. Then you can scroll down to find the laser eyes effect. And this is the effect, guys. You just need to tap on it, and right after you tap on that effect will be added to your video. And you can also adjust the effect. You just need to click on adjust button right here, and you can adjust the filter, intensity, and also the color. And after you are done, you can click on this check mark. Alright guys, and we can go back to our video, and if we want to make this effect align with the video, we just need to tap on the effect. Then we can drag it like this. And let's take a look on the result, guys. Let's just play the video. Alright, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's how we can create laser eyes effect in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.